In recent days, lights have been seen in the sky in various parts of the world, as this is not over yet. According to experts, these lights will continue to appear. These lights are caused by the sun, which is currently emitting a large amount of energy to the Earth along with a lot of gas. However, we have not yet reached the highest level, as the sun is still building up to what is called solar maximum. This occurs almost every 11 years when solar activity is much stronger. As we can see in this graph created by the important medium BBC, the sun's magnetic poles reverse every 11 years, resulting in solar maximum when the sun is most active. Large sunspots, many times larger than Earth, eject a lot of material energy and gas that generate solar flares. Currently, what you and I are experiencing is solar cycle number 25. This is the cycle since humans began studying this solar phenomenon in 1755. It is worth noting that this solar cycle was expected to be calm, but it turned out not to be. For example, the geomagnetic storm that hit the Earth a few days ago occurs on average every 30 years. And it happened because the sun emitted at least 5 flares, one after the other, which reached Earth within 18 hours, affecting our magnetic field. This storm was so strong that it was rated as a G5 alert, causing the beautiful lights but also putting the world on alert for the potential effects. According to some experts, solar storms could pose a much greater danger than any earthquake or fire, potentially causing a large number of deaths and injuries. To understand this, let's talk about the famous Carrington event of 1859. On a night in that year, a light appeared in the sky so bright that people thought it was daylight. That year, the lights were not only seen as they are now in some parts of the Earth, but they were seen worldwide. The problem was not the lights themselves, but rather that this great solar storm generated a surge of energy so strong that it disrupted all the technology available at the time. For example, the telegraph began transmitting messages even though it was disconnected. Damaged equipment began sparking fires. It was 1859, and technology was not as common or relied upon as it is now. According to experts, if a solar storm of Carrington event proportions were to occur now, the world would be in trouble. Imagine a world where our technology simply fails. It may sound incredible or catastrophic like movies, but experts say this is real and could be caused by a major solar storm. Scientists, researchers, and specialists are working to protect technology from such an event, monitoring solar activity 24/7 with satellites to alert governments and critical infrastructure providers. Solar storm watchers issue immediate alerts to governments and providers of critical infrastructure to take extreme measures to protect technology. While the events in May were minimal, experts warn that a Carrington event will happen again. The question is when. Specialists hope that by that time, humans will know how to protect technology and prevent things from getting out of control. Imagine our technology suddenly failing, especially technology on which our existence depends. That is what is happening in the sun. Tell me, what do you think about this? I read you in the comments.